This week on Sweet Ruca, we are bringing you another real-time update. Our journey on Sweet Ruca has been put on hold as we fly to the United States from the Azores, Portugal, to compete in the Chicago to Mackinac and Port Huron to Mackinac races aboard a one-design 35 turbo called Chico 2. But before the racing begins, Curtis will work on preparing and transporting a few boats for the race to help fund the cruising kitty. But not everything goes as planned. We'll get back to our regular episodes after the regattas have finished.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
If anything ever happens, it's always good to have pictures.
How come the sky
The insurance company gets upset,
behind
you know?
clouds? Maybe it's
Then you've got proof.
just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
We
Why
are
does
headed
the
for
rain
the airport.
always keep on pouring
We've got
down
Roxy's dog crate.
when it's gray outside?
We got the backpacks.
It
We're all
really
ready
makes
to
me
travel
wonder.
back to the United States.
Yeah, it makes me wonder.
We've got to find a cab, which is not
It
close
really
to the
makes
boat.
me
E
wonder.
deveria sobreaquecimento de vegetação do nosso perdido. Ok, deixa eu da cadeira.
The boat will stay in the Azores, Portugal, as Roxy takes her first plane ride back to the States.
How come the
It's an exciting
trees
but
get
nerve-wracking time
undressed
for us as
when
we
it's
plan for 1 month away from the boat.
and don't they miss
What kind of people leave their boat to do more sailing, you ask? Racing sailors is the answer.
to make
We're
the ground
here.
shine like gold until winter comes, until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.
You look good in there.
Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Drop off that rental car.
Let's go.
It really makes me
While
wonder.
Curtis headed off to work on boats, I stayed home to visit family and edit videos. The old divide and conquer method.
Welcome to the giant Toledo Express Airport, where we are headed back to return the rental car.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.
What are we doing, David? Come on, racing?
We're going to Chicago. Going to Chicago.
Oh, I wonder.
You ever seen the YouTube channel called Qualified Captain?
I just wonder.
Oh, that...
Try not to.
all right. We'll make you look cute in editing.
Yeah, I wonder.
Curtis and the other boat captain reassembled Chico 2, as well as a Santa Cruz 70 from being trailered to Muskegon on Lake Michigan, where they would launch and then take the boats to Chicago to race in the 112th Chicago to Mackinac race.
Put up with change.
Many boats from around Michigan, the Midwest, as well as the rest of the country would be traveling to this location to compete in one of the nation's most prestigious races.
Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of
We are trying to find a set of spreaders.
getting too restless to be
No idea
honest,
where they really are.
I've heard of this place
So, if you were Boaty McBoat Captain, where would you have put the spreader?
I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever
I don't see any spreaders anywhere.
by the light. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see
They are there. Found them! Okay.
I could close my eyes, let the past. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. 'Cause I just wanna see the
No. I'm sorry, but I have to get this. There's not really much you can do. I saw this coming when they were pulling out of the dock. Thought of any boat that they would. I feel bad for him, kind of, you know. I think he should just tie it. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Oh, good save, guys.
A lot can happen at the marina, and oftentimes it's not a good thing when docking is involved. Curtis spotted this cruiser trying to turn around next to the most expensive boat in the harbor. A poor choice, but everything seemed to make it out unscathed.
These all go to starboard.
His baby said that they don't got a future like burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with. Make it forget.
Tip to starboard a little. Tip, stop. Tip to starboard just a little.
How are we looking,
Yep.
Curtis?
Yep. Come on down, slow.
He's calling all his friends to get some action. Distract him right now. He's fine. But Lucy on the line.
Chico 2 was assembled and launched in the water, ready for transport, so Curtis took advantage of a little free time in the evening to catch up with an old friend and hit the racetracks, Michigan style.
See how many trucks.
It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Maybe not another day. She would have wished he stayed, but they're done.
boat captain of Chico, and we are headed off to Chicago from Muskegon. Yay! Woohoo! We are headed out of Muskegon Lake right now to go deliver the Chico to Ruby. God damn it, dude, you suck. You fucked with me. You're gonna go on YouTube. Screaming Ruby. You're gonna be on YouTube. We're gonna see if Kate can edit David out down here. He likes to make funny jokes. All right, let's show you guys the view here of Muskegon.
No, there's submarine coming up right here.
Yeah. Submarine. So, what's going on?
It's, I think, the USS Silverside Submarine Museum.
All right, let's check out the Submarine Museum. We're gonna spin around here and let you see the exit of Muskegon Lake into Lake Michigan.
Curtis and the other boat captain, David, would double-hand Chico down to Chicago with plans of returning to transport more boats. They decided to take advantage of the weather and sailed through the night to arrive in Chicago early the next morning.
I'm done looking over my shoulder. This past time won't help me getting over it. I don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling. I'm done trying to fix what is broken. 'Cause my time is running out in the sand. Ooh, I'm just a human in motion. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you.
14 hours from now?
Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
We made it to, it's 10 o'clock. I think we left at maybe about 7. So I think we're in Chicago about 13 hours after leaving Muskegon, which is not too bad. About a 35-foot boat. Motored the whole way. Did put up a number 3 for a little bit, but wasn't quite enough wind at this angle to make it worthwhile. And we're going to head into Chicago Yacht Club here. Park this puppy and go get the next one.
Unfortunately, the transport didn't go as smoothly as planned, as something went bump in the night, and it was time for an extra unexpected inspection of the hull. Stay tuned next week to find out what happens next.
Well, looks like we gotta figure out. We gotta get that fixed.
What happened?
Hit a log last night, I guess. We kind of knew we hit something, but
Oh shit.